Hi, Chem 343, Dr. Miles here. I wanted to check in with you guys. Happy week 3 in organic chemistry. I hope you guys are having a great semester so far. And I wanted to pop in and tell you a couple things. So, the first thing I'm going to talk about is your quiz this week, which is a little different. I'm going to bring up our exam, which is next week. Our first exam is next week. Isn't that crazy, Rhodey? And then the next thing is PLA, which is a really cool resource where you can meet with your peers and discuss things in the course and find a study group. All right, let's dive in and look at this. That's Rhodey's tail. All right, so here is our Canvas course. Let me just move my streaming software out of the way. So I've got a student view right now. On the home page, you'll see first I added something. I added an appendix. This is something you might find useful. You might use it on exams. PKA list. Totally fine to use the PKA list that I gave you that has everything in values of 5. That's fine. A values for your cyclohexane conformations. Also, periodic table, electronegativity. Very useful. That will be posted right beside your exam. Let's go to the peer learning sign up. Rhodey's trying to get something she shouldn't be. You're not supposed to go there. Peer learning sign up is right here on the homepage. This is a great way for you to meet with peers. I'm going to show you where to sign up, and then we're going to listen to a couple people talk about it. Then I'll tell you about your quiz 3, which is very different this week. On the bottom of the Excel file, you're going to find Chem 343 Miles. That says, hey, what's up, Jessica? We got Shine, we got Rachel and Hunter doing their thing on Monday and Thursday nights. There's still some spots available. This is my message to you that you should get on there if you like studying with people. Some of you don't. I know I found it really useful to study with peers, and you'll be in a room with someone who, well, a virtual room with someone who's taken the course before. Not my course, but a Chem 343 course and did well. All right, that's PLA. And now I want to introduce you to a couple people who have been running PLA. Let's pull this up. Okay. All right, everyone. We have 2 guests here. We've got Chloe and Dylan, who are the PLA chemistry coordinators here. And they are going to talk to you about this really great program where you can work with your peers on the material we are doing in this course. So first, let's just meet them. So this is Chloe and Dylan. And so if you guys want to introduce yourselves to the course, that'd be great.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you for that. Hi, everyone. I'm Chloe. I just graduated in December, so I'm like in that fun little post-undergrad limbo, but I'm going to be starting a job as a research specialist in one of the psychiatry labs pretty soon, so that's very exciting for me. Hoping to get a PhD in clinical psych after that. So that's a little bit about me. Dylan, go ahead and introduce yourself.
All right, thanks, Chloe. I'm Dylan. I've been in PLA for 3 years now, but I'm a senior in chemistry. So I'll be graduating this semester, so not graduated just like Chloe yet, but I'll be going to grad school in chemistry. So that's just a little bit about me. I can talk a little bit about what PLA is.
Organic chemistry is what you're going.
Organic chemistry, right?
Yeah. And you just got into Berkeley, which is pretty dope.
I did, yes. Still deciding though, so it'll be it's an interesting time for right now. But I found in my 3 years of being in PLA, I found that it was very useful for getting a grasp on all my chemistry and meeting a lot of people in my classes. So what PLA is we set up groups in your classes. So we pair you with other people in the same classes that you're in, so you can have the time and meet the other people and have the resources to go over problem sets that we also create and go over questions that you may have, working with other people in your class. So we just really like to put people, especially in this online format, together so you have more resources for you to be able to go through all your materials.
Yeah, so more specifically, for Professor Miles, we have 2 sessions that you could attend each week. So we have one on Monday from 6 to 8 p.m. and then one on Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m. So hopefully one of these will fit your schedule. You can sign up by looking at your Canvas page. Professor Miles posted a link, and that will direct you to a Google Sheet where you can then put your name down and your email, and we'll contact you. So this is basically just a 2-hour study session with all of your peers. You can attend it every week, and it's just a great way to stay on track in your class.
I love this. Very cool. Yeah. So it's just a nice way to kind of, just additional ways, right, to meet with your peers and go over material. And you have someone there, right, that's taken the course and done well in it.
Yep, correct.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for telling us, well, one, for setting this up for our course, and then two, for providing this, because it's hard with everything online to, meet with peers. And so this is just an awesome, I love that you guys continued it through online courses, because we all need that more. So awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much. And yeah, I will talk to you all soon. All right. They're pretty cool, right? It's really cool what they're doing, and it's a really great way for you to meet with your peers. I don't think I unmuted myself. Oh, I did. Great. Cool. This is our Canvas course again. I want to show you now for your quiz. Quiz 3. If you go to quizzes, you're going to find that quiz 3 has a message that says, this week we're getting ready for exam, which is next week. It's next week. Please click on the assignments tab and then click on quiz 3. I sent you on a scavenger hunt. I'm telling you where to find it. Assignments. Go to assignments on the left side of the tab there. It says quiz 3 and exam upload practice. This is where you're going to do your quiz 3. Our exams are going to be PDF style. You're going to be writing structures. It's not multiple choice. This is organic chemistry. I want to see what you're writing. I want to see what you're learning, and I want to see if everything's making sense. Okay. Now, quiz 3, you can click here to view it, or you can download it. This is the same format that you're going to see when you pop into your exam. There are 3 ways to take this quiz. Okay. Quiz isn't that difficult. It's a resonance structure. And guess what? You get to work on it with your peers, because it's a quiz. Okay. There's 2 pages for the quiz. The second page, no points, but I'd love to get to know you all a little more, and this would be a great way for you to tell me more about yourself and how you study and what you like in the course, what you don't like, and that way I can stop doing that. At the very bottom, this is where I had the directions. So you're going to click on the quiz, and then you're going to download it, or you could view it, okay? Let's go through 3 scenarios, and there's probably more. First scenario, you have a printer. Very cool. Not everyone has printers. You could print the exam, and then you could take the exam on your printed exam. Does that make sense? Anyway, then you can scan it, or you can use an app on your phone to take pictures of it that turns it into a PDF. The goal with all of the 3 options I've given you is to make a PDF. One PDF with all of your answers clearly numbered, okay? So you could print it. If you don't have a printer, no problem. Maybe you're fancy and you have a tablet like I do. I have to have this tablet. Anyway, if you have a tablet, you could download it on your tablet, write in the answers, and then you can create a PDF and upload it. The third way, which I actually find most students do, is they take pieces of paper. This has a corner ripped off of it because Rhodey loves paper. And so what you're going to do is you're going to not do that, but you're going to open up your exam, and then you're going to write down the number of the question, and then you're going to write the exam answer. You're going to write your answers on a piece of paper. Then you can either scan it if you do have a scanner but not a printer. I don't know how that works. You could scan it, or you can use your phone, and then you can create a PDF from an app. Free apps all over the place on how to make PDFs. You can also do fancy stuff with your iPhone. You guys know how to use Snapchat, and I don't. I rely on you to know how to do this. But if you want to use one that I've used before that works pretty well, you can use Genius Scan. I have it right here. You can click on down here to download it, or you can click on the YouTube, and you can click on the YouTube video and see how I used it to take pictures of Rhodey and turn them into a PDF. Now, don't take pictures of your cat, although that will give you bonus points. I'm kidding. That is not what you want to do. Take a picture of your exam. You're going to do this for your quiz. When you have your PDF ready, you can go up here and click Submit Assignment. A box opens at the bottom, and then this is where you're going to choose your file. You're going to find the file on your computer, okay? So you're going to have to somehow get it to your computer, whether you email it to yourself and download it. Work on this process, because when the exam comes, I don't want you to have to worry about how am I going to upload this. So once you have the file chosen, then you'll hit submit assignment. The way that I have the course set up is you can submit more than one assignment, okay? You can submit again. Let's say you found an error. Let's say you turned in the quiz early and you found an error. Guess what? You can submit it again. I see the most recent submission, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. The quiz, like usual, is due this Sunday, but this is a great way for you to practice what you're gonna have for your exam. Our exam is next Thursday, all right? I'm gonna have some study tips, and I'm also gonna have an extra review session on Wednesday. It's listed in this email. For your exam, you can use anything on this course. You can use the internet, you can use your notes if you're taking good lecture notes. I have the videos up there, but I'm hoping that you have your own notebook taking all the notes that we have, all right? It's gonna help you tons on the exam. The exam here is under assignments, and then you're just gonna click exam 1. It's not open until 1 p.m. on February 18th. That's next Thursday. So that's where you're gonna find your exam. Now, the exam upload will be the same process you're gonna do for quiz 3. So just practice it now on quiz 3, and that way you don't have to worry about what app you're gonna use. How am I gonna get it to my computer? How am I gonna upload it? I want you to practice it on this quiz, and this is also a great way for me to give you feedback. One more point, quiz 3, I'm gonna be giving you handwritten feedback back on this. This is kind of insane to do it for more than 200 people, but everything will be written by me, back to you. This is a way for you to communicate to me how you're doing with resonance structures. This is the key foundation to everything in organic chemistry. It's gonna help you tons for next semester with Chem 345. So I'm gonna be providing handwritten feedback on this quiz. Now, I can't always do that on exams. The software we use to grade exams is really clunky, so less feedback will be provided there. But I wanted to give you at least one chance for us to communicate back and forth, and also for you to tell me a little about yourself on this second page. I think that is it. We talked about PLA in this video. We talked about our quiz. Our exam is next week. And then I also told you that there is an appendix that you can start using as well. I think that's it for this video, and I hope that you guys are enjoying this course because I sure am. This course has been a lot of fun. This is my first time teaching Chem 343, and I really enjoy your hard work. Our office hours have been awesome. Wait, do you know where to get office hour videos from? Maybe I should just show you that real quick. If you already know, you can stop the video. I'm just going to show you office hours stuff. If you go over here to Zoom on your course, these are blacked right now. Is it going to let me? Ooh, okay, good. Cloud recording. That scared me. I don't know why. There it is. Office hours. Hey, those are the office hours from today. You can click on here. It should play. Oh, you have to sign in. Okay, cool. You have to sign in, yada, yada. Then you can see office hours. I think that is it. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the course, and I will see you in our next lecture video. All right, bye-bye.